Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be using the washing machine. It's a Sphere 3 kilo in the Caravan. It's a very good washing machine. We're going to do a cycle and just show you how it works. So to start, take out the carry basket. So that just comes out. Okay, and we've got the clothes in there already. Now we'll put the powder in. So we just keep it in this little container here. I'm going to use about half a scoop. Just straight in there. Okay, close the lid. Now we're going to do just a quick cycle. So if we work it out. Alright. Turn it on. You can see over here you've got the amounts of water that it's going to use. So you can have either high, medium or low. We're just going to go for a medium. And then the setting over here will be what type of wash you want to do. So what we're going to do is just the rapid, because we are packing up, getting ready to go. Okay, so it's 21 minutes, rapid, and press start. So you'll see it start to fill up with water, and then it's just going to run the same as your washing machine at home or wherever you may be. Alright, and we'll come back soon. As you can see, it's still filling up. In the Caravan part, doesn't have a lot of good mains pressure, but that's okay, we're not in a hurry. Okay, it's finished filling up and it has started its cycle, so it's now running the water through everything, and it says it's got 19 minutes to go. I find it's not actually a loud machine either. It's nice and compact and does a little bit of washing at a time. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, as you can see now, it is a bit hard to see, but it's draining the water out, and we're at 13 minutes left, so it's getting ready to do the last cycle. So even while it's draining the water, you can hear it from throughout the van, but it's still relatively quiet, it's not too bad. Okay, now it's about to start its second cycle. It's just filling up with water again. Now we'll go outside and show how much water has come out from emptying from the first cycle. So we'll just step outside a minute. So we had our mat out the front. We've got the mat that we put down on the grass out the front. And it was out here. But as we had quite a bit of water come out, as you can see, we had to move the mat as we're packing up and didn't want the mat getting wet. Well, we wouldn't want the mat to get wet anyway. So that's something that we will need to consider before doing each load, maybe redirection the water. I believe when we have a grey tank put in, then that won't be so bad. It should just go into that. But I'll let the clever man work all that out. But yeah, so a fair amount of water did come out. Right, so it's on the last cycle. It's got about 10 minutes to go. We'll come back shortly. Okay, so it's doing its spin now. We have 3 minutes to go, so it's nearly there. We'll go back and check the water outside again. Yep, a lot of water again. You see it's freshly running down the hill now. A bit hard to see, but here, through there. So it's quite a big amount of water. Glad we moved that green mat. just on the water coming out of the washing machine, you see there's a lot coming out under the van also. So we're going to redirection it once he's made up a connection. Is going to go into the park drain. Okay. Now back inside. Got my chair on the floor. It's pack up day. Okay. We're on 1 minute. It's finished spinning. Sounds like it's just draining the rest of the water out. Reckon it's done. It should beep. There we go. I think it does 10 beeps, which are quite loud, so you could hear it from quite a distance, just so you know when it's done. Okay, all done. There we go, guys. Hope that's been informative. You can like and subscribe and comment, and yeah, head over to our Facebook and Instagram as well, The Big Lap on a Budget. Happy days, safe travels. See you on the road, guys. Bye for now.